Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. I hope you all must be doing good. So today I got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, and I have flashed the Xiaomi EU ROM Miui 13, the rebuilt version, and version is Miui EU ROM 13.0.3. Request was coming that make a video how to root this particular version. So I have already rooted my device, and let me show that what are the things that I have done with my Redmi Note 10 having MIUI 13 xiaomi.eu ROM. First of all, I will tap the Images application and check safety net. Yes, success. Then we'll go back and we'll open my Google Play Store. Tap here, tap settings and tap about, and here we go. You will see the device is certified. So after getting the MIUI 13 xiaomi.eu ROM, set is rooted and safety net is success passed, and also the Google Play Store, the device is certified. Just confirming it, verify root, and here we go. Congratulations, root access is properly installed on this device now. So today video is about how to root the xiaomi.eu ROM MIUI 13 on Redmi Note 10. We'll show you, but before going further, I would request you to subscribe my channel. You click the YouTube bell icon and select all. Thank you for doing that. So there is no need to save the data will be remains there, but we need few files and computer is must required for this procedure, and also the data cable. So my set xiaomi.eu ROM is unrooted now, and I will show how to root this MIUI version, MIUI 13, this particular version. Just informing you that MIUI version 13.0.3 xiaomi.eu. Do not apply this procedure in case if you are watching this video, or maybe in future if you are having upper version MIUI 13.0.4, 13.0.5 or maybe 13.1 something. Do not apply this procedure, because this routing procedure is only particular for this ROM MIUI 13.0.3 xiaomi.eu. Right, I have made the things easy for you guys to root your set easily. So I have merged all the files required for this procedure. So, and also link is provided in my video description. Just make a new folder and download this particular file. And after downloading, extract it in same folder. And when it's extracted, then open the extracted folder and you will see 3 files and the root for the image file, the patch image file. Here we go, and I have also created the batch files for you guys to make the things more easy. Do not hesitate about it. Now, first of all, coming back towards my mobile phone screen, connect the cable with your mobile phone and check this other side of cable must be connected with computer. And then select the file transfer section. Copy these 3 files here, the Magisk, Rero and Safety Net Fix, and then paste it in the internal storage of your mobile phone. And when it is done, then power off the mobile phone, press the power button, then select reboot and press and hold the volume down key. Do not disconnect the cable. Let the set to boot into fast boot mode. Do not release the key until the fast boot screen appears on your mobile phone. Yes, the fast boot screen appears. And one more thing, the set bootloader must be unlocked, because you have already using xiaomi.eu ROM, and xiaomi.eu ROM requires an unlock bootloader. Now come back to the computer screen. Open the root Redmi Note 10 xiaomi.eu MIUI 13 folder, and we got the VB meta file here, and we got the Magisk patch file here. Now double click the flash 1 file and it is done. Now double click the flash 2 file. It will take a little time and it will also done. And now double click the flash 3 file and set will start reboot and it will start booting back to MIUI ROM. Now we are done from computer. Now disconnect the cable from mobile phone, wait, let the set boot, then we will continue. Tap the file manager to open the file manager. Tap storage, scroll down and install the Magis APK file. Done. Come back to the main screen and swipe. You will see the Magis application is installed already. Now just tap to open the Magis application. Requires additional setup. Yes, tap OK. The set will reboot once again. Just wait for it. Unlock the screen and go to the second page. Tap Magis application. Now tap the settings of the Magis application and scroll down. Turn on the Magis height. Then go back and tap the last menu. Then tap install from storage and scroll down. First install the Rero v26 file. Tap on it. It will start auto installation, and when it is done, then it will ask you to reboot. Just check done. It means done. Now tap reboot. Let the set to reboot once again. Unlock the screen. Go to the second page. If you are having a Magis application on your second page, tap to Magis application to open it. Then tap the last menu and tap install from storage. Scroll down and this time install SafetyNet Fix 2.2.0. Just tap on it. It will get installed automatically. Check done. Yes. Then tap reboot. The set will start rebooting once again. Unlock the screen once again after when set is booted. Then tap the root checker first. You have to install it, this root checker basic file from Google Play Store. It is available on Google Play Store. Now you can see that verify root status. Just tap on the verify root, grant the permission, and here we go. We got congratulations, root access is properly installed on this device. Right. And now go back, tap Magis application once again to open it and tap check SafetyNet. Tap OK. Yes, we got success. And now tap settings, go to settings, then scroll down, apps, go in apps, then manage apps and search for PLAY Google Play Store. Yes, tap on it, then tap clear data, clear all data. Okay, that's it. Right, now tap the Play Store to open it and tap here and tap settings and about, and definitely you will see device is certified. So we got the root access on MIUI 13 xiaomi.eu ROM, and also the SafetyNet we got success, and we got device is certified. So finally Redmi Note 10 having MIUI 13.0.3 xiaomi.eu version got rooted with all the things that I have showed. Now you can enjoy the root access on your Redmi Note 10 on MIUI 13 xiaomi.eu ROM. Thank you for watching the video. If you got helped by this video, do not forget to like the video, share the video with others, and do not forget to subscribe my channel also. And take a good care of yourself. We'll see you again in my next video. Until then, goodbye.